Welcome to Fruta Fridays.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been the last video was with you.
Yeah, literally.
The yoga. We're still fat. Well, I'm still
yoga
fat.
Didn't work.
No. I've been thinking for a long time to do mukbangs. I don't know. And I don't know. I'll be honest. I'm like, it's because I'm already a gordita, and I just feel like people are gonna be like, of course these fat girls will be eating, or this fat girl will be eating, blah blah. But honestly, I don't even care.
We know we're fat.
Yeah.
Like.
So I was like, I want to film one today, and I'm gonna ask Cynthia to do it with me because that's gonna be fun, and me and Cynthia always have fun together.
Yeah, we do.
So, anyways, I asked on Instagram to leave us some questions, so we have a few questions that we'll be answering while we eat some pepinos. I grabbed some big ones. I was like, let me get the big ones. Guys, I'm out of breath. And then some tahini, which your girl needs to stock up on that too. So the first question is, where did you and Cynthia meet? We met on Tinder. No, I'm just kidding.
Imagine.
I swiped
Look
right.
at the friends.
No, they had a channel and we have our channel, and we did a challenge, and then we did like a bop it challenge.
Switched it.
Oh,
You would have had to eat.
You would have had to eat.
He would have been happy. He would have been happy.
we said something like, if you guys do this challenge, let us know, and you know, I don't know, we'll shout you out. I don't remember. So anyways, they did it, and I remember Jordan was like, hey, one of our subscribers did it, and da da da. Anyways, long story short, we started talking through YouTube, and then like, I feel like right away, we started talking.
Clicked like right away.
We started talking, and I want to say like 2 weeks later, we were in Disneyland with it.
Yeah.
I remember
Freaking panicking, dude.
Dude, I was nervous too, and I remember that we cried at Denny's. Remember?
We did over a baby.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I remember. Like, what's your favorite soda? Cherry Pepsi.
We were like,
if not just like plain Coke, but
yeah. Anyways, next, I have like 3 questions that say, can we be friends? Can I be BFFs with you too, so we can be the 3 musketeers? I am such a friendly person.
Me too.
I invite everybody to my house.
You really do.
I never think about like, oh, they're gonna kill us right now. I'm like, yeah, let's go with them. This question is for Cynthia. It says, do you have baby names picked out?
Oh, it's so hard. Well, I have a couple like that I'm thinking about. If it's a girl, I like Olivia. I like Grace. I love Scarlett. And then for boys, I really like Wyatt.
Names are so hard.
So
Yeah,
damn hard.
it really is.
Or like something to do with like aviation. We love like anything aviation, or like nature, like stars, space. I don't know, something. I'll come up with it.
Kim Kardashian over here with the weird.
I like Stormy. I love Stormy.
So the next one is, can you guys do a chit chat get ready with me video together?
That would be fun too.
That would be fun, but
like naked get ready.
I mean
like get in the shower and like.
What is your favorite thing to do for a date night? Like my husband? No, just kidding. Honestly, wait, Cynthia,
What happened? Oh.
So I like to drop the kids off, obviously, because I don't want to take my kids on my date night. And honestly, I'm just like a very plain person. Like, I just want to go to dinner and go to the movies, or like, I don't know, go to like, I don't know, go to the mall. I don't care. Anything
Without a kid?
Yeah, anything to have like just time with my husband, you know?
When we lived in Cali, go to the beach.
That's
and then
good.
my favorite restaurant in Newport Beach, Rusty Pelican. Ugh, I have dreams about that place.
I know, I remember
Oh my
you guys
God.
would go there a lot. I have to know top shops to buy Disney gear to wear. We plan to go early next year. Love you. For me, I'm going to tell you right now, the best store where we find things all the time is the Disney outlet at Arizona Mills Mall. I don't know if you live in Arizona, but
If not, they have a really, really good one.
where?
Cabazon outlets?
Basically the Disney outlets, I would say.
Yes, look for one.
Yeah.
Wherever you live.
Mm-hmm.
If not, Box Lunch has really cute stuff.
Yeah, but that's
It's
expensive. I'm not even
expensive.
gonna lie. Those are the stores I would say. Favorite Starbucks drink. So right now, my Starbucks drinks, you can't say that. My Starbucks drinks change a lot. So right now I get an iced coffee with 2 pumps of caramel sauce, 2 pumps of white mocha, extra cream, classic and extra caramel just in the cup. It's sweet, but it's so good.
Pumpkin spice, obviously.
Yeah,
for the
like that's
season.
yeah.
And Christmas. Oh my god, the caramel brulee. Oh,
Christmas, I get the. I like to get the peppermint one a lot.
oh, peppermint one too. If not, I'm basic. I'm a caramel macchiato kind of girl.
I don't
Iced.
like. I don't really know if I like macchiato.
I tried the clout one. It's good. It's very strong.
Yeah.
But it has like, I read what the clout on top is, and it's egg white.
Okay.
The top, you know, the cloud caramel
I
macchiato.
swear you're saying clout.
The cloud. It is the cloud.
Oh,
Caramel
it sounded
macchiato.
like you said clout. Going like you trying to get clout or whatever. That's on politics. I don't really care.
Yeah, same.
About
That's what we're
politics.
friends.
Yeah. And I don't really care for the people that are running our country right now. So.
I really like.
I think I'm putting too much stuff.
It's okay. It just bugs me. How
Yeah.
some people are so like anal about it. Like, whatever happens is gonna happen, and I know people are gonna be like, "Oh my god," you know?
Yeah,
'Cause
I
a lot of
know.
people are
I
like,
know a lot of people, especially my family, who
Yeah,
are
but,
super.
yeah. The people running right now. Ugh. But I mean, I don't care at the end.
There's really not much we can do. I'd
Yeah.
rather just eat pepinos.
Yeah,
Anyway. Somebody said, "Do you feel like being? Do you feel like you were being criticized for being plus size?" Oh wait, plus size and pregnant, because I do all the time. So that's probably.
Oh my
so I'm
god,
not pregnant.
dude. Literally, at times I do, but then at times I'm like, I don't care. The only part that gets me is like, I can't like, especially now, you're supposed to be seeing a little bump.
Mhm.
And I have a lonja, so
Like
the
a
bump's,
what?
yes, the bump's always there. So,
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't, I mean, it bugs me a little bit, but it's my fault.
Yeah.
But I've always been plus size, so I don't know. I feel like doctors judge you sometimes, like you're so unhealthy, and that is so
Or family
far.
members too.
Yeah, and that is so far from the truth because there's skinny people, there's like normal people that are so unhealthy and they're like super thin or
Yeah.
super fit, and then they're like unhealthy, like have unhealthy pregnancies.
Yeah.
So I don't think your size matters that much as long as you like take care of yourself while you're pregnant or whatever.
But at the end of the day, everybody has their own opinions, and
Exactly.
who cares?
Exactly. Who cares? Don't just
mind your business.
just be happy that you're able to be pregnant and have the blessing to be able to carry such a beautiful miracle.
Yeah.
No matter what size you are.
Oh my god, they're so lemony.
Oh, do that. Oh my god.
With piojos?
No.
Yes, you guys, look at this.
Oh my god, that's heaven.
This is why I'm low on tajin, because this is how me and Jordan eat our stuff. Like, we really do put so much tajin.
This is like my biggest craving. Pepino con chile. Oh, that's a lot.
This is why I got my gallbladder taken out. I'm gonna say that I was plus size, but I feel like I look pregnant. I will say that I feel like I get criticized being plus size in the YouTube world.
Oh yeah.
Because like events and stuff like VidCon, I've talked about it before. There's a lot of creators or whatever that are skinny and like they don't like with you. They don't they're I don't know. They don't want to be your friend because you're fat. But then when they see like, I'll give you an example of somebody that I used to watch, and when I saw her at VidCon, I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. Like I really like her. I want to be her friend. So I was trying to talk to her, and she was like totally ignoring me and just talking to my friend that was thinner and like fits the YouTube looking
Criteria.
Yeah. So she didn't talk to me at all, and I was just like, ew, like, you know, I really liked you, and I literally unsubscribed and everything. Well, come like a few weeks later, she found me on Instagram, and then she saw our channel, and she saw that our channel was bigger than hers, and we were getting like, at the time we were getting more brand deals and stuff. Well, all of a sudden she wanted to be my friend so bad, and then she was always messaging me and stuff like that, and I mean, we don't talk anymore, but I'm just saying, she didn't want to talk to me before, but then she wanted to talk to me when she saw my channel. Like, get out of here. Oh, this is how did you and Jordan meet? How are you similar and how are you different? So me and Jordan met through Facebook, and
Wasn't it MySpace?
yeah, MySpace. And I think we're different in a lot of ways. I think we're more different than we are similar, huh?
Yeah.
Like, I don't even know.
Things.
I don't even know how we're still married. No, I'm just kidding. He's just more
I mean, I think you guys are the perfect combination, though. Like,
yeah, like I don't know how to explain it. He's more goal driven and I'm more chill. No, how do I explain that? Like, he's always like go, 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 and I'm like, chill. So sometimes when I'm just like over chilled, he's like, babe, you gotta be like better. And sometimes when he's overdoing it, I'm like, babe, you gotta chill. So I don't know. Why is this so good?
I'm gonna cry. This is delicious.
If you cry, I'm gonna cry. Dude, I'm already getting heartburn. Next question is, how do you try to be romantic with your husband? I've been lacking in that lately. Honestly,
That's hard.
I want to say that I probably have been too. I don't really know. I don't know how to be romantic.
It's hard.
It really is. Like, I feel like it's easier for men to be romantic to girls because, like, if you just bring them, like, flowers, that's so
Or a
sweet and
piece of
romantic.
chocolate.
Yeah. Or
At least for us.
picture of wings.
Oh my god, wings. Next mukbang.
I tried to get some today.
Cooking his favorite meal.
Yeah, that's a good one. But I don't even really cook that good.
I feel like men love being complimented.
They do.
They really do.
And you know what? I'm very bad at it because
Me too.
like Jordan, when I'm like, oh baby, you look good or you look nice, like to me that's just like for everything that's like good, that's sexy, that's handsome. He wants me to say like you're sexy or you're handsome or
Let's
like
go to the room.
he's like, you just say I look good, and I'm like, yeah.
I do the same.
I'm like, that means you look good,
like everything.
Yeah,
Right? Yeah.
I don't know. If you guys have any tips on how to be romantic to your husband, let us know. Oh my god, Barbie.
What?
She said, which one of you is the freakiest? This one right here. This one right here. She's like freaking.
You guys want details? I'm kidding.
No, you don't.
You don't. Want
I know her
details.
details, and I'm just like, I'm like, what? But
It's me.
yeah. Oh my god, I'm over here using my clothes the whole time. And I would say in my relationship, it'd definitely be Jordan than me.
I think it goes both ways, depending on the mood.
I can't even imagine Josh being freaky.
I think I'm more. I feel like I don't know. I mean, it can be both ways, like I said.
Yeah.
There's days.
Everyone does it. Don't act like you don't. When you look at people and you're like, I wonder how their sex life is, or like, how do they have
We
sex?
have a dungeon.
No, you don't. I've been to your house.
Oh, you haven't been to the garage. I'm kidding.
I have been to the garage. But I wouldn't be surprised if you guys did have one. Will you guys put Ellie in preschool? No, I won't. Will you put Maggie?
No. There they are. Screaming.
Oh my god.
I got the chills.
Why is it like, it's like burning?
It burns, but it burns good.
How do you not have a drink? Why is that so good? My eyes got watery. My eyes got watery. It burns so good.
Oh, yes. Oh.
The best and worst things about being on YouTube. Also love y'all. The best thing I would say is the friendships you make and like the opportunities you get and like the things that you get to like get and stuff. But the worst thing is like you have to record everything.
Staying
dude.
consistent.
Yeah, literally.
For us, at least.
Mhm. Me too.
It's
Look
hard.
at how many times I don't post on my channel. But it's like sometimes I just want to hang out. It's like like when we go to their house and me and Cynthia will go to Starbucks to like just have a little bit of time alone and go get our coffee. Jordan gives the camera.
Yeah.
And he's like, give me footage. And then I'm all
We're
like,
like,
dude,
what do
I'm
I
like, I need to
record?
vlog. So sometimes, honestly, I don't vlog because I'm just like, dude, we're just chilling. Like, there really wasn't anything to vlog. We were literally just in the car, like, catching up,
yeah.
talking. You know, we got our coffee.
And
then
what we
come
talk about,
back.
we can't really freaking put it out
Yeah,
there
I
either.
mean, yeah, we can't. So,
I think the best part, at least for us, is recording memories.
yeah.
'Cause you
Oh
really
my,
look
wow, you
back-
just made me sound like a...
Oh, no, because you really look back to it. Like, I always watch my old vlogs.
I do too.
And it's just so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And
And you know what?
Yeah.
My kids watch their Ellie
Mhm. Me
watches
too.
her birthday vlog every day. Every day. And she's always talking about the princesses and stuff like that. So That's true. Also, it's funny to look back when you're like, damn, why did I look like that? Or like, ew, what were we doing?
Or like, oh my god, I look a little thinner there.
I do.
I always
This is the
freaking do
biggest
that.
I've ever been, and now y'all know why. So. How did you guys blow up on YouTube? I want to make my own channel, but I'm nervous. I know this girl from school. Back in the day, I feel like the reason we got, well, we're not even that big, but the reason we are where we are now was because back in the day when you did collabs with like bigger channels, you had more like their followers would come follow you and stuff like that. But like people don't do that anymore.
I tried with Pink Sparkles and
Yeah.
that flopped.
Yeah. That's because
And she has like over 1 million
Mhm.
subscribers. That it's not in anymore.
no, it's not. And so that's how I think that was the first time. I think like we met the Levines, and I think that was when we gained our first 1,000 because we did no, we didn't do a collab. We were on their blog, and then they were on ours a few times. Like we started, I don't know. I think that's how we got our first 1,000, and then being consistent and like doing things that like will get views. Not like I don't know. We were doing our daily lives, but like we know that people. For example, like game nights. I know we do game nights all the time. Like we're always playing games and stuff like that with our family when our friends come over. But we also know that people love when we do game nights. So we're like, well, let's record it. YouTube is hard now. YouTube has always been hard for me, but now it's harder. So that was the end of the questions. So we decided that we're going to pick a subscriber right now, or a follower of ours, of mine on Instagram, to Snapchat video chat with for a little bit. Why am I always out of breath?
This room is kind of hot.
So what does that
And the
have
light.
to do with being out of breath?
I don't know what the f- is that. I don't know because it's hot. I don't know.
Oh my god. Ugh. I don't know what I'm doing. Please stop. Wait, how do I look at her?
Like that?
Hey! Wait, do you see us? Huh? Oh, yay! Do I have like freaking food in my teeth?
You have pineapple and pepino.
Hi.
We're just gonna laugh back.
I don't know. Wait, so your name's Stephanie?
Yeah.
Okay, I literally typed in your Snapchat wrong and I added a different person. That's why I wrote to you. I'm like, hey, is this you? Because the first person was not you, so. Wait, I don't know what to
Are you
say.
shy?
Yeah.
Don't be shy.
I don't know what to say.
Well, you have to talk to the camera.
Hello.
Oh, we Snapchatted someone.
Wait,
You want?
where's Josh? I was trying to show Josh.
Don't be shy.
Sorry, we're filming in a different room, and the guys didn't know we were picking a subscriber to video chat with.
Ew, don't do that. It's gross.
Guys, this is Stephanie.
Stephanie, this is the camera.
I can't eat these no more.
Drink the juguito.
Oh, that's gonna send me to the ER. Watch.
Oh, it's so.
Oh my god, that is so. Oh. Anyways, I hope you liked it. Subscribe because I'm definitely, and I know I freaking say this all the time, but I really am gonna start posting again. I swear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh my gosh.
I see you later. I love you. Okay. Oh, dude, I'm gonna pay for this in the morning. Oh my god, that one really hurt, guys.